YouTube channel. It's Pheech Live in Red, and today we're going to customize some of my clothes during this quarantine. First, I have this plain blue jacket, and I'm going to make it a rainbow dash jacket. Next, this polka dot pajama turtle set. I will also turn this into a rainbow dash by simply using this dark transfer paper. You can put your favorite design and print it right here. So here are the designs I made to put it on those plain clothes that I have. This is the iron I'm going to use.
Peel out the paper at the back, and once the back was glossy, it was ready to press on the cloth. If you don't have wax paper, you can use a thin fabric to guide as the wax paper. Turn on the iron and be careful when using to avoid accidents. Turn it into 180 degrees or cotton, then press it for 5 minutes.
It needs to be about 20% cooler. Rainbow dash, 1, 2, 3, 20% cooler. Rainbow dash, 1, 2, 3, 20% cooler. Rainbow dash, 1, 2, 3, 20% cooler. 1, 2, rainbow dash, danger, danger.
Other DIYs I made.